The Kneaded Eraser is a really great tool, so you might have that in your bag. It's really rubbery. It's kind of like silly putty. It comes in a tiny little package, and you're going to open it out of the package and then literally knead it like this to get it ready to go. And the Kneaded Eraser provides a different kind of erasing. So if you've got dark pencil lines like this, a regular pink eraser works well if you just want to get rid of them, right? But if you've got something that's more subtle, and maybe you have a dark area and you want to lighten it, or you want to lighten part of it, you can use the Kneaded Eraser to gently erase. See how I'm sort of blending out here? It's similar to the blending stick, only instead of rubbing together the graphite particles, it's actually removing them. And you can see you can be really gentle with it and get some blending. You can also use it sort of in a stamping way. You can press down to remove. So let's do another spot here. Okay, I can take my Kneaded Eraser and I can lift with it. I can also make it into different shapes if I want to do something very specific or very small. Like that. And when it gets dirty, all you have to do is do a little kneading and the little particles of graphite will clean out of it and you can keep using it. So that's your Kneaded Eraser.